Hi all guys, here we are again with another video presentation of my models. This time the presentation will be about my Porsche 997 GT3R, as seen in the latest configuration of the 997 Racing. So it is the car that raced since late 2012 and beginning of 2013 until today, because this is a racer that is still around the circuits and owned by gentleman drivers and so on. So she's still around, and it is made over. I used this body starting from the Fujimi Gt3r. They made the basic kit of the 2010 car that is completely different in the wheel arches, width, and all the lower part of the body shell is completely different, you know, rear structure and so on. It is meant to be fitted completely over that kit, quite easy to find, and very, very beautiful, and absolutely a must to have, you know, must to build in a proper collection of racers, you know. This was the hardest part, you know, to increase in the proper shape with the correct blueprint of the size and so on, and the recreation of these vents that are so typical for this model. As you can see, they are very, very fragile and delicate, but quite precise, you know, and once the model is complete, quite easy also to finish, because all the mountings are exactly the same as the plastic kit. When you complete it, you should be able to do something like this. This is a Falcon car. It's very, very cool colored racer, you know, and it's finished using the parts from the Fujimi kit that fits nearly perfectly, you know. This was the master of the production that had been completed totally during the process of production, and I decided to save in some way. Some parts are still, anyway, in my eyes, damaged from the production, but it's okay. I think it's something really convincing, you know, and the overall look is absolutely stunning, and very, very nice racer, you know. Minor part like this front grills and so on have been scratch built, but also there, you know, if you have the body, it's something that is absolutely easy to make by your own. I mean, the model of these cars are all great guys and very, very skilled guys, so I think they absolutely can do it with no major problems, you know. So that's it. It's a very, very beautiful and unique Porsche, because also about this particular racer there is no models around, there is nothing, you know. There is something in 118 and something in 43 as usual, but nothing in 24, and nothing also for slot racing. And these bodies are very, very light, and so I think also they could be very, very good for slot racing. This has been a very, very big success. The production is finished now, so I have very few bodies still on the market, and sometimes I place them on eBay, or I make very, very short numbers more of this one, because the master is done. The master is this car, so there is no longer production of this model. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you to the next video.